Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. We are at the kids' school so early that we gotta wait outside in the car for a few minutes. We got here like 4 minutes early, so I'm just waiting for the door to unlock so we can have access to the keypads. And yeah, good morning to you all. These suckers are getting the heck out of here today. And then I gotta drop Aiden off, and I'm trying to see if August has an appointment with his speech therapist today, but I forgot to clean this and mess up. But he hasn't texted me back yet, so I might have to come back here. But if not, then I'm gonna just go on back my busy. Okay, so kids are home from school, and I finally found my book that I've been looking for. I didn't read it over the weekend because, again, I had got sick, and it just disappeared, but it was under a bag that was like beside my bed. I'm just looking like, okay, I don't see nothing, but it was literally under the bag. So whatever my kids did with it over the weekend, that's how it ended up there. All right, so I need to finish this book, y'all, because I feel like I'm just dragging at this point. Like, I got the book this month, but I wanted to be done within a week. Like, if Les Brown, a senior citizen, can read one book per week, I surely could do the same. So I'm on chapter 10 now, which is part 2 of the book. It's called Conversations You Need to Have with Yourself, part 2, and then chapter 10 is Become an Expert on Yourself. So I'm about to read this. My kids are playing at the playground. This is the perfect moment to read for about an hour and then take them in. So see y'all tomorrow. It's like, nah, I will see y'all in a little bit when I get in. Another fun Lay's cheesy garlic bread potato chips. Scale of 1 to 10, I say 7. Y'all, look at this mobile oven cart. Ain't that something? You can make pizzas like they sell at Blaze, and what's the other place I like? And Mod Pizza. No, you're at your cooking class. You're gonna put some yogurt in too. You want some yogurt? So they're just making a yogurt parfait. We did 1 layer of yogurt, put some strawberries on top of that, and then some more yogurt. He put blueberries on top, and then he just added some granola. Is it good, Ace? Bruh, it has been several days, okay? Several days. I think, as a matter of fact, it's been an entire week since the first day I started this vlog. This vlog has been all over the place, really, because last week, Tuesday, was a mess. And it kind of just threw my week off a little bit because it was just unexpected. And I didn't really vlog. Like, I had a little situation happen or whatever, and I really ain't vlogged a lot since then. So this vlog all over the place. 1 week to finish one vlog is crazy. So I just left out of Walmart. When I came out here with a Paw Patrol snack with cheese, apples, graham biscuits, and fruit snacks. Cause y'all know I like to go in there and get them little chicken wraps or whatever. But I'll probably go to another Walmart and get one for lunch with a pasta salad or something, because this one right here always trying to sell old ones, and I don't be liking it. I just bought a little snack just to put something in my stomach for the time being. If you haven't already done so, make sure that you hit the like button on this video, that you are subscribed to my channel, and that you follow me on all my other social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Threads. I am Allison Alanna on pretty much every platform except for Twitter. And I probably will have my socials linked in the description box or like a pinned comment or something, just so they can be easily accessed. But make sure you're following me on all those platforms so that you can keep up with me outside of YouTube. Okay, so I have been sitting here eating yogurt. This wasn't half bad. It's the Great Value brand of the Greek yogurt, because they didn't have any Greek Chobani in the vanilla flavor that I normally get. So I tried that, and it was actually pretty good. Nothing probably touched Chobani, but this was acceptable for sure. So I started doing some surveys, y'all, and they just something to do to pass time while I'm like just out here waiting on the kiddos to get out of school. I don't even know what my other gloss is. I'll just use this one. This is the Liquid Pout Plumper in the color Toast by Motives, Lauren Rittinger. I've been using a lot of lip plumpers lately, like this one, and my Dior gloss is also a lip plumper. So I like that little look that like your top lip be like, I don't know how to do it, but it's cute. I think it's cute, but I don't want to do like cosmetic procedures or whatever, like fillers and stuff like that. I don't like the idea of that, but I do like how it looks. So I've been using lip plumpers to kind of see if I could get that little, you know, just like you got a permanent pout. I don't like it overdone, but just like a little lift, you know. I think it's cute. But yeah, so I don't know what I'm about to do, y'all. I done did like 2 surveys since I've been sitting out here eating my yogurt, and it is, I don't even know what time it is. It's 10:20, so it's still really early. It is still really early. I should go look around in the shoe store, but I don't really like to look at shoes. Not tennis shoes anyway. So yeah, I don't know what I'm about to do for real. Alright, so I just left Wendy's. I went over there for a quick bathroom break. Child, they got the floor in there soaking wet and people slipping and sliding on the darn floor. No wet floor sign, nothing. Just total disregard for the safety of their customers. That's why, for real, I hate going to ghetto spots. I hate going to fast food burger joints, for real, because it's just, I still feel like you can have a restaurant like that and still be professional and highly respectful and just really put together for your customers, you know. And then when people just don't care, it just reminds me of why I really come to your establishments anyway. So I am parking once again. I'm actually about to read a couple of scriptures that I was supposed to read with my group this month that I didn't do. I think I had did the ones for day 1. It's a 3-day process. And I think I had did the ones for day 1 and day 2, but I didn't do for day 3, or it wasn't that I did day 1 and didn't do day 2. I don't know, but I'm about to go look up the email and just make sure, because I want to make sure I touch those and get some knowledge from those. But I'm gonna have to do it on my phone because I did not bring my Bible with me today. So I'm about to read, y'all. I'm about to read on my phone. Just pull up the scriptures on it, and then I try to finish this darn book by like Sunday so I can move on. I think this book is about to really get to the good stuff. Like the first half of the book, it's a 2-part book. The first half is about his life, how he built his business, whatever, and then the second part is more so like geared to you, and I think what you can do. Yeah, I need to finish this portion of the book out over here, and then I can move on. Okay, so I just checked my email, and it actually was day 2 and day 3. I didn't do either one of those. So day 2 was to read Psalm chapter 24 and Acts chapter 12, and then day 3 was to read 2 Kings chapter 6, Isaiah 54 verse 16, Proverbs 18 verse 9, and then 1 Samuel chapter 2 verses 1 through 10. So I wanted to share those with y'all just in case somebody is wanting to read, not really knowing where to start. You don't have to start at Genesis, which, I mean, it would be good too, because the first 5 books of the Bible is called the Torah, and once you have read the first 5 books of the Bible, it is very easy to maneuver through the rest of the Bible, so that you'll have great understanding on everything else once you complete the Torah. However, you don't necessarily have to start there. So if you just wanted some scriptures to just go look into, or just some place to start, I thought I would share these with you just in case you wanted to do so. Ace. I'm here to take you home. Nap time in school is over. Ace. Hello. Is Ace home? Hey. Ace. Come on, son. Why you look so ashy? You want to say hi? No? You angry? Alright, well, I just got the kids from school. As you can see, it is very live. The action has begun. I gotta stop at a gas station real quick before I go down to get Aiden. But Aiden don't get out of school for a whole nother hour anyway, but I still like to get there early so that I could just be in the pickup line instead of like all the way out in the street, because that line gets long. So this should only take a few minutes, I'm sure. I'm gonna just grab it now so that once I get him, I don't have to stop again at the gas station. I hate this gas station though. Like, it is just so ghetto, but I don't think it's no other gas station before going to his school. I see you got a new toothbrush from school. Yeah, I see. What else they gave y'all in that bag? Floss, maybe? Did you get toothpaste too?
Yeah.
This gas station is so old. And I don't even know what to do here. Like, Lord. Okay, thanks. Is there anything
What color did you got? I got purple.
No, it's fine. I'll just use this one for today.
I got it.
Yeah. Alright, so doing my last pickup of the day. I'm gonna get some lip gloss. My lips feel a little empty. These kids are whiny and sleepy. Ace couldn't even get up. Like, his bed was put up and everything. And as y'all can see, he was sitting up sleeping, okay? Nodding off and all. And this one just whines from the moment he came in the car. Oh, you're fine where you at. You don't have to come up here. Yes, August, you're doing fine where you are. So let's see. It is 2:52. So I still got like 28 minutes before this boy come outside. Oh. Okay, so I had picked up the crew and we're in Food Line grabbing a couple things I'm going to need for dinner tonight. I have no idea how this stuff came out to $94.49. I literally got nothing but snacks. So I just got in from the store and I am pissed. So last night after I made dinner, I took out some turkey breast because I knew I was going to be cooking that today. So I took it out, put it on the counter. And Aiden decided he gonna go put it back in the refrigerator. So literally, I took it out around 9 o'clock at night because I know sometimes in the morning when I'm trying to get out the door, I'm not thinking about dinner 8, 9 hours later. You know what I'm saying? So I took it out the night before while it was on my mind, and I knew I planned to come in here and make nachos. So now I come in here. It is now 4:45. I get in here and the turkey breast is frozen. And it's a pack with like 6 big ones. So that like I don't know when this is going to throw out. And had I known this was done, right, I would have just got another pack that's not frozen. So now here we are at 4:45 in the afternoon, in the evening rather, and I don't have nothing to cook because it's frozen still. So I don't know. They just gonna have to eat sandwiches tonight or something because I'm not gonna stress myself out about that. Nor am I gonna be up because I'm trying to keep myself on like a particular schedule that when we come in during the week, like with school days, I make dinner immediately when I'm still, you know, energetic and feeling like doing things. And then I'll do the baths after dinner and then I can just, you know, I can chill. So by like 8 o'clock, pretty much everything should be done if I do that schedule. But being as though this happened, they just gonna have to have a sandwich because I'm not gonna, if it ain't done, if this ain't thawed out by like 6 o'clock, which is probably not gonna be because it's already 4:45, I'm not even going to worry myself with it. All right, so with that being said, that's gonna be a wrap to this vlog. I know this vlog was all over the place. It literally took me 1 week to finish this vlog because last week was just a mess for me. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure that you go visit my boutique's website. That'll be in the description box. And make sure that you go and follow me on all my social media platforms, and I'll try to leave links to those in a pinned comment in the comment section. So see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.